Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IIT Scholar. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change font size, font and design on MS 2016. So at first you have to write something on MS Word. Then if you want to change the size, then you have to select your written part. Then you have to go to the font size, or you have to press Ctrl Shift plus P. Then you can change your size. Let's see. Now I'm going to make smaller in size. So just I click 18. So this written part become small. If I want to make it larger, then I have to select this part, and again I have to select the size. Now I am going to make 36. So this is 36. If I want to change the style, I mean from New Times Roman to other, then I have to select Ctrl plus Shift plus F. So to change the font, now I am select. Now if I want to make it Arial, so I have to select Arial. Now it is become Arial. If I want to make it Calibri, then I have to select Calibri. Then it's okay. If I want to make it Times New Roman, then I have to select Times New Roman. If I want to remove the bold from this part, then we have to select this written part, and then you have to click on B, or you have to press Ctrl B. So this is the process to change the bold size, change the bold in MS 2016 or any other MS. So now I am going to show you how to make something superscript or subscript. At first, in this written part, we are just looking molybdenum disulfide to most two. So if I want to make this to subscript, then we have to select and press Ctrl plus or equal, or you have to place this point. After clicking, this is become subscript. So if I want to make it superscript, then you have to select next one, click, then it is superscript. So this is the process. If I want to make it this line, for justified, means distribute your text evenly between the margin. So if I want to adjust my written part between the margins evenly, then I have to select on that part or Ctrl J. Yes, now become this part is means evenly distributed. If I want to make it aligned to the left, then I have to select that part. This part become shifted to left. If I want to make it in center, then I have to select that one or Ctrl E. This is. If I want to make it right shifted, then we have to select Ctrl R or press Ctrl R or align, click on the bottom, align left. This is the process to align your text. So thank you for watching this video, and if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, like and share.